Hey guys, it's VB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this anti-Valentine's Day look using the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. First, I'm going to start off by priming the lid using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C6. And then jumping into our palette, we're going to start off with this blue color that is kind of like a navy blue, and we're going to start patting it into the eye. And just slowly start building it up little by little, taking more of the blue color and adding it on. And then with this blending brush, I start blending up towards the brow bone and out. And then go back in with that same blue color and build it up a little bit more. And then take your blending brush and blend once again. And using the same concealer, we're going to go right in to cut the crease. But we're not going to go all the way out. We're just going to go about halfway. So I cut the crease and then I wipe my brush on a towel and go back in with more concealer and wipe it off again and add more concealer, just so we don't drag that blue to the lid. Then taking that white shade, I apply it on the lid. And then I take the black shadow and I apply it to the corner of the lid. And then I make sure to blend the colors. And then I take a little bit more of the blue shade and then I start to blend it out. And then I take a little bit more of the white and I add it to the lid. And then I take the Pretty Vulgar black list gel eyeliner and I form a wing. And then I took my lashes, Velux by ienvy in the style Rèal-Amour, and added them using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And now jumping into the face, I went in with the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer to prime the face. And for foundation, I went in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color Natural Beige. For concealer, I went in with the Beige Studio Pro Total Coverage in the shade 104. And then I just took a beauty sponge to make sure it was all blended out. And then I took my Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Powder and set the under eye and everywhere I added the concealer. And then I went in with this little sponge that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I took some powder and I put it on the under eye so it just catches any fallout. For the bottom lash line, I went in with the blue and I just buffed it out. And then on the waterline, I went in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the color DTLA. And then with a little bit of the black shadow, I added it right under that liner. And took a small blending brush and began to really buff it all out and just smoke it out. And added a little bit more of the blue and blend it out. And then I just wiped off the powder. With a bigger face brush, I made sure to wipe off the powder and to set the rest of the face. And then for contouring the face, I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. With this sponge, I took a little bit more of that powder and just cleaned the contour. For the nose, I used the same Wet n Wild contour palette in Dulce de Leche and just contoured, the sides of the nose. And took a little bit of the powder to clean that contour and to bake for a bit. Went in with some mascara. I used the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. So then I take the same mascara and I also add it to the bottom lashes. And then with the big brush, just wipe away all the powder. And then with the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette, I used the blush Hidden Secret. And for highlight, I went with this new one that I bought by Wet n Wild. It's called Golden Flower Crown. Set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and went in with my liquid lipstick by Spoiled Lips. It's called Viral. And this lipstick was a little sheer, so I had to really build it up. After like 100 times, I finally was able to build it up. Added the same highlight to my inner corner and to the brow bone. And this brings us to our final look, this anti-Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next one. And remember, feel nothing less than what you are.